Oh, not bad. It's like brand new. Ooh, what's up YouTube? It's your boy at Fred Easy. What's going on? Today on this quick episode, we'll be changing the front differential fluid on my Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. All right, let's get it. All right guys, so we're back. Remember, fill, drain plug. We're gonna take out the 8mm Allen key. Take out the fill plug first. All right. Boom. Nice and easy. Then pan here. Again, you can definitely crawl under here and do it on the ground. So you got better visuals here. Oh, not bad. It's like brand new. Look at that. Well, kinda. It looks fine. Right there. It looks still kind of dirty. There's no magnet on that bad boy. Right, but let that drain for a bit. But it looks like I have enough room to just pour the bottle in there. So I'm gonna attempt to do that. Just get the bottle, and then we're gonna throw it in there, and you have enough room to squeeze back into there. Okay. So that's good. Snug tight. Alright. Now, with this baby in hand, the fill plug, toss it in here, squeeze, baby. There you go. Here's a better visual. Like that. Bam. Right there. Now we're gonna let it drain a bit. Save some of that. Just till it gets level, right? Because remember, when we took the fill plug out, was it dripping out? Nah. So the fill plug acts as the level. So we're gonna let it level itself out, just so it's not over. I'll leave it a little bit up top and let that go. Slightly above. Remember, it's gotta go through all the gears too, right? So, okay. That's good. Get our bad boy here. All right. Okay, and that's done for that. And that is how you do the front differential change.